Why are women attracted to bad boys? It's not at all what you think. Keep watching, because at the end of the video, you learn how to attract women when you're not a bad boy. In fact, this type of man is even more seductive than a bad boy. Women typically come to the knowledge that bad boys are draining after exhausting themselves with them. But at that point, they had squandered precious time and wasted chances they could have had with good men. This is all because women never realized their true nature of their attraction to them. Disclaimer, not all women are attracted to bad boys, but we'll examine those that do and the reasons behind them. Let's look at the real reasons why women find these perpetually melancholy types appealing, shall we? Women like to fix men. Women especially like to fix broken men. It's the nurturer part of us, the extreme nurturer part of us. It's not simply a makeover transformative act of beautification. It's a makeover story in which the woman reins in the bad boy and has him transformed just for her. It makes her feel incredibly special, and it's incredibly exciting to know that she conquered such a challenge that others previously couldn't. She is the only one he ever changed for. Therefore, she is the only one he ever loved. Cue in romantic music. There it is. Don't believe me? Just read books like Twilight, After, 50 Shades of Grey, Wuthering Heights, Pride and Prejudice, or every other romance novels that women seem to digest like it was food. Are you seeing the pattern by now? Also, women are naturally hypergamous. This is when someone marries or goes into a relationship with someone of higher status than themselves. From a physiological standpoint, women produce fewer eggs as compared to men who can produce millions of sperms. Women are biologically designed to find the best mate in order to preserve their lineage. And if these women need to do some remodeling in order to find the ideal mate, then so be it. A woman can ensure she gets what she wants by turning him into her very own Ken doll. The problem is, it's all a fantasy. The plot makes for an exciting romantic book, but not so much in real life. In real life, he takes her for granted, he never gets fixed, her energy is depleted, and he never changes for her. The bad boy's antics loses its appeal, and in the end, all that exhilarating tension fizzles into irritation. Oh my goodness, are you still brooding over coffee? It's just coffee! This is getting old. So now the question becomes, are women really attracted to bad boys when they're trying to change them into good men anyway? Things that make you go, This is probably where you'd want to look into my other video and see what women really want. But back to the subject matter. How does a man attract a woman who's attracted to bad boys when you're not a bad boy? With self-confidence and mystery. A self-confident man is incredibly intoxicating. And mystery? Well, that adds to the intrigue. Why is mystery so exciting? Why do people love watching movies that put you in great suspense? The plot has built enough interest that you have to know how it unfolds. Simply put, human DNA is built for curiosity, which is why it's better not to divulge everything about you all at once as if you're providing a resume or a CV to a potential employer. The thrill comes when you slowly reveal tidbits about yourself over time, piquing women's interest. I didn't know you built your own spaceship in your backyard. I thought you were just an accountant. You constantly surprise me. You don't need to spill everything about you for someone to like you. You already know how awesome you are. It's up to them to try to find out more. Plus, who wants to know a plot that's over and done with in 5 minutes? Fruit flies. Actually, 5 minutes would be too long as their attention span lasts less than a second.